How to make AI sound like you, not a robot teacher. Okay, you've got your outline. Now comes the hard part. Turning it into actual paragraphs that don't sound like they were written by a corporate motivational speaker from 2015. Because let's be honest, AI loves phrases like, in today's digital landscape, and it is important to note, your professor? They can smell that from a mile away. Here's what most students do wrong. They take their outline, ask AI to write the essay, and submit whatever comes out. The result? Every sentence sounds like a LinkedIn post. Zero personality, zero voice, and definitely zero chance of fooling anyone. But here's the secret. You don't ask AI to write for you. You ask AI to write with you. First, teach AI how you actually write. Take any paragraph you've written before, something your teacher gave you good marks on. Paste it into AI and say, analyze my writing style. What makes it sound like me? Describe my tone, sentence structure, and word choice. AI will give you a breakdown. Something like conversational, uses short, punchy sentences, avoids jargon, includes personal examples. Now you have your style profile. Here's the prompt that changes everything. Screenshot this. You're helping me write in my voice, not yours. Based on this style, paste the analysis. Write a paragraph about topic from outline. Requirements. Use my natural vocabulary. Vary sentence length like I do. If I use contractions, you use contractions. If I avoid fancy words, keep it simple. Sound like a real student, not an essay generator. Watch what happens. Night and day difference. But don't stop at the first draft. This is where most people quit too early. Read what AI gave you out loud. Does it sound like something you'd actually say? If not, tell AI specifically what's wrong. Too formal, make it more casual. This sentence is too long, break it up. I would never use the word moreover. Give me something simpler. Treat AI like a writing partner who needs feedback. Because that's exactly what it is. Here's the non-negotiable part. You must add your own examples and evidence. AI can structure your argument. It can help you find the right words. But your professor wants your research, your analysis, your original thinking. So take that AI paragraph and ask yourself, what's my actual take on this? What example from class or the readings proves this point? Then rewrite that section in your own words with your evidence. That's where the A grade lives. Want to know how to make your essay completely AI detector proof? Write the first draft with AI using everything I just showed you. Then close the AI. Open a blank document. Rewrite the entire essay from memory, keeping only the ideas and structure. Your words, your phrasing, your examples. The essay will sound authentically you because it is you. AI was just the brainstorming buddy. Pro tip: use AI to improve your writing, not replace it. After you write a paragraph, paste it into AI and ask, how can I make this argument stronger? What counterpoint am I missing? Is this evidence convincing? That's how you level up your actual skills. You're not cheating. You're getting feedback you'd normally have to wait 3 days for from your professor. So here's the formula. AI gives you structure and suggestions. You give it your voice, your research, and your brain. The result? Essays that are faster to write, better quality, and 100% authentically yours. Next video, the research shortcuts that actually work without getting flagged for plagiarism. Subscribe to AI Study Lab. Drop a comment telling me what essay you're working on right now. Tools and prompts? All linked below. Now go make that essay sound like you. Because nobody else can write like you do.